In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly translate a PDF document into Spanish using ChatGPT Atlas. This process is quite straightforward and doesn't require installing any additional software. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the ChatGPT Atlas browser. If you're not familiar with it, it's a powerful tool that integrates AI capabilities right into your web browsing experience. Launch the browser, and once it's up and running, navigate to the chat section. You'll find this part of the interface particularly useful as it's your main point of interaction with the AI. Now, look for the plus sign icon within this chat section. This icon is your gateway to uploading documents. Clicking on this plus sign will allow you to upload the PDF that you wish to translate. Make sure your document is ready and easily accessible on your device, as this will make the process more fluid. Once your PDF is uploaded, the next step is to craft a prompt. This part is crucial, as your prompt directs the AI on precisely what you want to achieve. In this case, a simple and effective prompt would be, translate this PDF into Spanish. This instruction is clear and gives the AI a specific task to perform. Remember, when dealing with AI tools, clarity and specificity in your instructions tend to yield the best results. After you've composed your prompt, it's time to click the Submit button. This action sends your request to the AI, initiating the translation process. Typically, this process is fast and efficient, as the AI works to convert your document's contents into Spanish. Throughout this translation process, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The complexity of your original document may impact the speed and accuracy of the translation. For technical or highly specialized texts, minor adjustments might be necessary to ensure precise translation. Also, it's a good practice to review the translated document afterward to make sure everything aligns with your expectations. Before we conclude, here's a helpful tip. If you are working with sensitive or confidential documents, always ensure that the platform you use complies with your privacy standards or company policies. And there you have it. By following these easily navigable steps, you can efficiently translate any PDF document into Spanish using ChatGPT Atlas. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful, and it makes your document management tasks that much easier. Thank you for watching, and happy translating.